Daratumumab belongs to a new class of drugs called monoclonal antibodies. And in fact, daratumumab is an anti-CD38 monoclonal antibodies that targets myeloma cells by binding to a specific antigen expressed in the surface of the plasma cells. When the monoclonal antibody binds to the plasma cells, immune cells attack the plasma cell and plasma cells died. So daratumumab single agent showed to be very effective in relapsed and refractory myeloma patients. A series of heavily pretreated patients achieved partial response or better in approximately 40% of the patients. So, considering these results, what daratumumab's team decided is to move directly to the first line of therapy. And we decided to use 3 different backbones: Velcade plus dexamethasone, Velcade plus melphalan-prednisone, Velcade plus thalidomide and dexamethasone, and to combine them with daratumumab in a small series of patients to know the safety and the efficacy. And also, additionally, daratumumab team decided to incorporate a new arm, pomalidomide plus low-dose dex, but in relapsed and refractory myeloma patients. So, just 12 patients have been included in each arm, and it is planned to expand the cohort of pomalidomide-dex plus daratumumab up to 50 patients. But preliminary results presented this morning during the SAS press conference and tomorrow during an oral presentation showed that the combination is feasible because the safety profile is acceptable. Most of the adverse events reported are concordant with the toxicity profile previously reported with the backbones. And in fact, with daratumumab, only to be careful with the infusion reactions, but they were of grade 1 and during the first infusions. In addition, when we evaluated the efficacy, 100% of newly diagnosed myeloma patients responded to this combination, and 50% in the POM-DEX arm. And it's important to note that the POM-DEX arm included a heavily pretreated patients population, and in fact there was one stringent complete remission in this group of patients heavily pretreated. So if we put all together this data, safety and efficacy, the main conclusion is that the combination is feasible, and it is the appropriate moment to go forward phase 3 randomized trials comparing backbones plus minus daratumumab.